Hello, Phoenix Typewriter here. We're going to show a common problem with these IBM Selectrics lately, probably in the last couple of years especially, and it is the bad center hub. We call this the thumper, so I just turned it on and you can hear it making a repetitive thumping sound. It's not that loud. I can make it a little louder by putting a load on it, and you can feel it. You can feel it doing a little thumping noise. Okay, I'm going to put a load on it, you'll be able to hear it better. So that's, if your machine's doing that, or it's not coming on at all, good chance that this hub is bad. So let's open this up and take a look-see at what a bad hub looks like. So we'll just flip this on its back here. The hub is right here. And let's take a look at this one. I haven't looked at it yet, but we're gonna take a look together. See what we can see here. So there's our hub. Let me get my tool here and turn the typewriter by hand. Okay. Find something to prop this flashlight with. Get a view of this. Yeah, there's a big old crack, a couple cracks, but there's one that's going to the outside. Let's wipe that thing off. Be able to see it a little better. There's one crack. There's another crack. Another crack. That's the one that's going to the outside right there. It's probably going all the way over to that side of the pulley. So that's what we got right here. And I've got a couple of these. Got a couple of these out of the machine, so that's what that crack looks like. Sometimes it gets as wide as the Grand Canyon, just splits wide open, and that causes that thumping sound. So this needs a hub, like a lot of Selectrics nowadays, and the new hub, we put a 30-year warranty on the new hub, that new part, because it's made out of metal. It's never going to break again. And the original part is 35 years old, so it's not too bad in itself. But labor is about double. Our normal labor charge on the Selectric is $48, and you're going to be looking at about twice that amount labor, plus whatever the going price of the hub is, and they're pretty expensive nowadays. So, all right, that's what a bad center hub, pulley hub looks like. Good day.